welcome back to our channel.
Welcome, people. My name is Trisha.
And I'm Leonard.
And together,
we are the young.
We are the youngs. And today, guys, we are going to be doing jobs and income in the Cayman Islands, part 2. Yes, guys, we did a job and income already, part 1. But you know, it's 2021, new year, new money. I old believe. So guys, there's been an increase in certain salaries. Certain salaries have stayed the same, and we see the messages under the jobs and income one. Those persons are always asking, so much a teacher work, so much a carpenter work, so much a bartender work. So guys, we are here with that information. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, what should they do?
Subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your post notification.
Turn on your post notification, guys. So guys, if it is that you want to know how to come to the Cayman Islands, please go and visit our jobs and income part 1. We outlined, you know, what it takes to get a work permit and who can come to the Cayman Islands with you. So let's get straight into it.
That was probably so we use a 40-hour work week to actually calculate these jobs. So that is saying you work 8 hours per day for 5 days. So it doesn't include Saturday, doesn't include any Sunday, and so that's the base that we use as our calculation.
Yeah, so per hour times the hours per day for the week and then the month, right?
Right. Alright, so guys, let's go. So first we're starting with the janitors. They are getting 7 Cayman dollars per hour. That is $8.04 US per hour. Per month, that is 1,120 Cayman dollars. US dollars, that is
1,344
US dollars. And Jamaican dollars, that is 204,000 Jamaican dollars.
Yes.
So that is for the janitors.
For carpenters, this is an increase from the last time. The last time it was $12 per hour. For this particular job, I see where a carpenter was making 14 Cayman dollars per hour. That is US $16.80 per hour, and Jamaican $2,240 per hour. As regards to monthly rate now, that is Cayman dollars $2,624 and Jamaican over 400,000 Jamaican dollars for the month, guys. So that's the carpenter for you.
Alright, now looking at a registered nurse, we're looking at 3,250 Cayman dollars per month. That equates to 3,900 US dollars and 559,000 Jamaican dollars.
$559,000, guys.
I also saw another nursing job. This one, the monthly rate was 4,250 Cayman dollars. That would equate to 5,100 US dollars and Jamaican 731,000 Jamaican dollars per month. So we're seeing a variation between 3,200 and 4,250 Cayman dollars per month for the nurses.
Yep. So for masons now, you're looking at $12 per hour, and that is Cayman $1,920 for the month, US $2,304 for the month, and Jamaican $330,000, guys, for the month. The last time a mason job was going for $7 per month, so this is an increase from $7 to $12. But this is a huge increase, Leonard. $5, we never usually see. Or based on what we know.
Increase money time. That buy so much dollars.
Yeah, you would say somewhat a significant increase. Depending on, in comparison to other sectors.
Yes.
Yes. Not necessarily in comparison to standard of living or cost of living.
Yeah.
But just in comparison to other
sectors, all them increased fee. This is like double. So for fitness instructor, it's the same as the mason, $12 per hour. Staff accountant, you're looking at a low of 40,000, and when I say low, I don't mean it's low, guys. I'm just saying that it has a range from 40,000 to 65,000 Cayman dollars per month. So you're looking at a low of $40,000, and $40,000 is equivalent to Jamaican $688,000.
You said 40,000 Cayman dollars per month.
Yeah, sorry. Guys, it's not for the month. 40,000 Cayman dollars for the year per annum, right? So you're looking at 688,000 Jamaican dollars for the month, and that is 48,000 US dollars for the month, and a high of 65,000 Cayman dollars for the year. That is equivalent to Jamaican $11,180,000 and US $78,032.44.
Okay, so we have electricians and general maintenance workers. We have $15 Cayman dollars per hour. That will give you around 2,400 Cayman dollars per month, and that will equate to 2,881 US dollars per month.
But I saw where a deputy head teacher, and deputy means like a senior teacher, don't Leonard? Deputy head teacher?
Yeah.
So I see where a senior teacher is making from the range between 50,000 to 60,000 Cayman dollars for the year, right? So that is it. The $50,000 is equivalent to Jamaican $8.6 million. So $8.6 million for the year, guys, and that is US $60,249.50, and a high of Cayman $60,000 for the year, and that is Jamaican $10,978,950.88, and US $72,229.94.
Damn!
So a senior teacher over here in the Cayman Islands is looking at a high of nearly $11 million.
So barber is getting around $275 Cayman dollars per week.
And that, guys, that is 1,100 Cayman dollars per month. And that is equivalent to Jamaican $189,200 and US $1,320.55, and that's per month, guys. So guys, I saw where another teacher, this is not a senior teacher, a head teacher, just a regular teacher, a history teacher / social studies teacher, guys, is working 2,975 Cayman dollars for the month. That is equivalent to Jamaican $511,700 and US $3,762.
So an account manager working at 41.6 to 46.8 Cayman dollars per hour gets $6,666 to 7,500 Cayman dollars per month.
Wow. And the $6,666 is equivalent to Jamaican $1,146,665. So that accountant manager is low is over $1 million here.
Yeah. And we have next paralegal. Paralegal is getting, well, working at 31.2 to 36.4 Cayman dollars per hour, is getting between 5,000 to 5,833 Cayman dollars per month.
So 5,800 Cayman dollars per month, guys, is nearly $1 million as well, and that's the low of it.
That's a high.
That's the high. The 5,800 is high. Oh, that's
5,000 is low.
Oh, so that's the high of it. $997,600, and
as a 5,800 Cayman dollars is equivalent to around 7,000 US dollars, $6,962 to be exact.
Next we have a chef. Now chef works between $12 per hour or $20 per hour Cayman dollars, that is, and that would put them in the range of 1,920 to $3,333 Cayman dollars per month.
Oh, that's a large stretch.
Yeah, that's a
there.
large stretch.
So they can earn a low of 326,000 Jamaican dollars, that is $1,900, and to a high of, and I guess it all depends on where exactly you're working, right? To a high of over $500,000, 567,000 Jamaican dollars for the month.
I guess it also depends on the type of chef that you
And the
actually
type
have.
of chef and how much experience you might have.
Yeah, experience counts a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Now, service technician, working at $13 to $20 per hour, will receive 2,083 Cayman dollars to 3,333 Cayman dollars per month. Okay, so next, an executive officer working at a government facility is making between 16.6 to 22.4 Cayman dollars per hour. That equates to 2,667 to 3,583 Cayman dollars per month.
Mm-hmm. And the $2,667
Is about 3,200 US dollars.
and that is equivalent to Jamaican $458,000.
Next, we have an inventory clerk working at 8 to 10 Cayman dollars per hour. Monthly, 1,280 to 1,600 Cayman dollars per month.
Oh, and that's a little bit of a stretch as well, and it also depends on your experience. So that is about over
1,500 US dollars.
and that is equivalent to Jamaican over $200,000, 206,000 Jamaican dollars thereabout.
Okay, and a maid working at $7 per hour is getting 1,120 Cayman dollars per month.
1,120. That is equivalent to about $9 US, or rather $8.40 US per hour, but it's equivalent to Jamaican $192,640, and US about $1,300 thereabout.
Okay, now for hairdressers, cosmetologists, and nail techs working at $6 per hour receives per month 960 Cayman dollars.
Mm-hmm. That is low, Leonard.
Yeah.
In comparison, I think the last time, and it all depends on where exactly you get the job, because the last time it was much higher than this.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, legal secretary gets between 3,000 to 3,800 Cayman dollars per month, working at 18.75 to 23.75 Cayman dollars per hour.
And 3,800 is equivalent to about 4,000 US dollars, and that is Jamaican $653,600 per month.
Okay, so a bartender works between 6 to 10 Cayman dollars per hour, receives 960 to 1,600 Cayman dollars per month.
Yes, and a lot of persons always asking how much does waiter work or a bartender works. This is what they work, anywhere between the ranges of $6 to $10, and that is 1,600 Cayman dollars per month,
which is about nearly 2,000 US dollars, $1,920 to be exact.
and that is equivalent to Jamaican $275,000, guys.
Alright, so last on our list we have an office assistant, works 9 to 15 Cayman dollars per hour and receives 1,440 to $2,400 per month.
Yes, guys. So, guys, that's the low of.
Guys, the $1,440 is actually $1,728 in US.
And that is nearly Jamaican $250,000. Right? So, guys, comment down below the job that you want us to do next. Right? Or if it is that you have heard your job, and if it is that you are curious as to how much a particular field work, let us know in the comment section. Let us know what you think about these wages in the Cayman Island, you know, whether or not they are equivalent to the cost of living expenses. We did quite a few videos on cost of living in the Cayman Islands. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in with the We Are Young family. We really do hope that you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, share, comment,
subscribe.
And turn on your post notification as well. Until next time.
Bye, guys.